How to enable fingerprint login on Revolut app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily enable the fingerprint login option on Revolut app. So let's just get right into it. First off, you're just going to have to open up the app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, your screen is going to look something like this on your login page. Now, all you have to do here is find the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then from there, you want to find the security tab right below. Tap on security. Then go over to sign-in methods to ensure only authorized access. So tap on it. Then all you have to do is find the sign in with biometrics option and then tap on it to enable. So if the option is disabled, all you have to do is toggle it on and provide your fingerprint, which will be scanned by the app and it will be added as your login method. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.